guys, welcome back to Operation RV. Again, I'm glad you got a chance to stop back by, so stick around, look no further, because we've got something going on here today on Gaston, and you're probably looking at it right here. So if you can take a guess, wait 5 seconds. Okay, so for the sake of this video and lighting purposes, I went ahead and had my wheel well removed so I can show you guys. So the white tab right there, those 10mm bolts. This is your first one, and then here's your second one. Have a long enough extension, you don't have to really remove your grill, but I did not have a foot extension. I used everything I had to connect, and I was short about it. It only took literally probably 60 seconds, and it just held on by the windshield here by the 4 plastic rivets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oops. So you don't have to take off your wheel well. Just reach your arm in there, pull the foot down, go ahead and take off the dust cap, pull out the bulb, go ahead and put in the new LEDs, and you see what it looks like. 2, 3, I opened it here previously. This is just for one information. Alright, just pop the assembly out. Here's the dust cap for the lows. Go ahead and take this off. Gain access to the low beam side there. Twist left, bulb will come out like that. There's a little clip here, right there. Just going to go ahead and lift this up like that, and the bulb's out. So these should be just standard plug and play. All right, guys, so this is the difference here of just your regular halogen type bulb, whereas these LEDs is just night and day difference of brightness. All right, YouTube, thanks again for stopping back by on today's episode of how to go ahead and put LEDs in your 6.7 here. Thanks for stopping back by, and again, go ahead and drop me those comments. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and bell notification if you haven't. And until next time, guys, God bless.